Money Ent though.
It's really windy out here.
It's extra windy.
It's pretty good out for y'all.
Yeah. So, Thomas.
Shivering right now.
Tariq.
Hi. Your friends. I thought I left. And I didn't really because some female told me to go. Shout out to Ronnie. I love Ronnie.
Shout out to me and my like messed up hair. That's why I'm not showing myself on the camera right now. But I'm hot anyway.
Chucks. What? Please. Go get some of those. Go get some of those. Alright, we're out.
Yeah.
This shit is killing me. Run. Stick it, lick it, like a gift on Christmas. Yeah. Like a gift on Christmas, your boy straight ripped it. This shit go, nigga. It's your boy AB. Okay, yep, she talking about me, but she can't have it. She wanna spark shit up with no matches. She know that I'm from the Bay, I stay gassing. If you ain't got money, then I'm a straight passer. Let me preach to you, pastor. She know I'm HB, the nigga who master with straight drop kicks it. And she was with it, legs like bananas. I had to split them, then I dive in them, feeling like a whirlpool. She know that I'm fly, so she packed a parachute. I beat it up, I stomp her out with a pair of boots. I get down, girl, man, I thought you knew. In and out, no food, and I take off. Then stay dip, but I ain't talking steak sauce. Like Young said, man, I'm just trying to hit. But girl, knock it out, you know you can't have it. Yeah. I hit it, stick it, lick it. Like a gift on Christmas, your boy say. Like a gift on the A's, okay. Straight Reggie. Shout out to Young. I get it. Hey. It's Nerdy Fresh though. Yeah, I'm kinda freaky and I love getting brain. I get her real wet like she slipped in the rain. Ayy, and I'm not her man, she is a fan, so I fuck the fan. And I'm big fat tall, I got 3 in a row. I'm an overeat grip, I just want you to know. We run the back, better yet NorCal. If you think you better than this, that's a party foul. Now but back to the front, how I kill it. I make her feel good when we're roller coaster thrill it. And just like beef, pussy I murder, icy jerk with a biscuit, I jerk with a burner. I nail her pussy and she calling me Mr. Hammer. I'ma take her to the room in WWE Slammer. No Nintendo, but she Super Smash Bros. 64 plus 5, I might 6'9". Ayy. Stick it, lick it, hit it, stick it, lick it. Like a gift on Christmas, your boy straight ripped it. Like a gift on Christmas, your boy straight ripped it. What the fuck beats run there? Run there. Stick it, lick it, like a gift on Christmas, your boy straight ripped it. Like a gift on Christmas, your boy straight ripped it.
Guys, this track
Go,
is
go,
so
go, go,
dope.
go, Chris, no riot. Go, Chris, no riot. Go, Chris, no riot.